Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to make the dragon tooth from the 2002 movie Reign of Fire. Now normally I use oven baked clay, but today we're going to use air dry clay. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take a piece of clay and we're going to start making like a tower. And once we have our tower, we're going to start molding it and start blending in all the clay parts and start by working on the top part of the dragon tooth and work on the tip and start bending it just a little bit to give it that nice curve. After we have our first part of the dragon tooth, this must sit for at least 24 hours to get solid. Once the 24 hours are done, it will be solid as a rock. And now we can work on the bottom piece of the dragon tooth with our next part of the clay. This next part of the dragon tooth is going to be called the cementum. It's going to be the bottom part of the dragon tooth. Our next step is by using our carving tools, and we are going to make some textures within the cementum part of the dragon tooth. Next thing we're going to do is by taking our dragon tooth outside, and we're going to use our Dremel 3000 tool. And I'm only going to set the setting up to 4, and we're going to use it to take major parts of the surface of our dragon tooth off to make it nice and smooth. By making the dragon tooth smooth, I'm also going to make sure that the edge of the dragon tooth is dull and not sharp. I'm also going to work on the cementum part to make it steep and also have those textures within it to make it that nice dragon tooth realistic look. After using the Dremel tool, I'm just going to use regular sheet of sandpaper to take any materials off of the dragon tooth. The next step is to take regular paint, and we're going to use the first coat of painting white to cover each and every part of the dragon tooth in white. The second color will be brown. It will be dark brown and also light brown. The reason for this is because this dragon tooth will have like a weathery dirt type look that came out of the dragon's gum and also weathered down throughout time. The last two things we need to do is by taking our copper wire so we can put it around the dragon tooth, and the next thing and last is by taking our chain like this, slide it through, connect it together, and after an hour working on this with a small project, our dragon tooth is finally complete.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right.
Thank you for watching. Be sure you leave a like, leave a comment to see what else you want me to make, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.